Dear friends, it's a brief video about SQE1 exam focusing on the SQE multiple choice questions, those which are single best answers questions. Our starting point would be to overview the actual scoring system and how they determine who passed the exam and who failed. So let me briefly explain how it works. You may see that there's a pass mark of 300. It's always the same pass mark in all the sittings, but the raw mark for this pass mark may be different. So for example, in this box which is on the right, you see someone's results. Those are actual results. Where the pass mark is 300 is always 300. It's maximum, and out of maximum score, which is 500, they determine what is to be the number of correctly answered questions, which is a raw score, in order to reach this 300 as a scaled pass mark. Then we have something like here on the chart. We have blue line results and green line results. So for example, for the blue in this one sitting, the pass mark was 110 and for the green was 90. Correctly answered raw questions. So the questions are of different difficulty, and they don't give different marks for different questions within one sitting, but they give different scaling system to different sittings in order for potential employer or whomsoever third party could really compare the results of different people who pass this exam in different sittings. So that's the purpose of the scaling system, not to give different marks to different questions.